Have you ever dreamed of sharing your creativity with the world? Today, that dream becomes reality. Welcome, innovators. This is your step-by-step journey to launching your very own website for free with the power of GitHub. Let's turn your code into a global sensation. Ready? Take a deep breath and let's begin. First, open your browser and navigate to github.com. If you're new here, take a moment to sign up. It's your passport to the coding universe. Already have an account? Fantastic. Log in and let's dive in. Pause for emphasis. This is where your story starts. Look for the plus icon in the top right corner. Click it and select New Repository. This is your project's digital home. Give it a name that inspires you. Something bold, something new. Add a short description to tell the world what you're building. And if you're feeling adventurous, check the box for a README file. Think of it as your project's first chapter. Ready? Click Create Repository, and just like that, your canvas is set. Now the magic begins. Click Add Files and upload everything. Your HTML, CSS, images, all of it. This is your moment. Drag, drop, and watch your hard work transform into something tangible. Every file you upload is a step closer to your spotlight. Can you feel it? You're almost there. Here's the game changer. Navigate to Settings, yes, the tab at the top. Scroll down until you see Pages. Click it. Now under Branch, select your main branch. Save. Wait. Let the universe catch up to your brilliance. Refresh the page, and there it is. Your live link, a URL that's yours. A website that's alive. Grab your phone, paste that link, watch as your creation loads on a tiny screen, proof that your work can travel anywhere to anyone in seconds. This is what empowerment feels like. Share that link, shout it from the rooftops, you've done it. Congratulations, visionary. You've just unlocked a new superpower. If this tutorial sparked your fire, hit that like button. It fuels this community. Share it with someone who needs this win. And subscribe, because your next breakthrough, it's already on the way. Keep coding, keep creating. The world is waiting for you. I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye-bye.